Here I'm going to demonstrate the ability to transfer files from Alibre and SolidWorks. So first we're going to go to our C drive or wherever you installed EasyCam. Go to the EasyCam folder. Then for SolidWorks you may have to run the sw add-in easycam.reg. By doing so, EasyCam will become an add-in into SolidWorks and have its own tab. The next step you might want to take is go to EasyCam 28 or whatever version we're on, and you're going to find the easy-cam64.exe. You will right click, go to Properties, Compatibility, and run this program as administrator. Now we have to do the same thing for SolidWorks and Alibre, so we're just going to go to the program files. We'll go to Alibre first, program, and here is the Alibre design.exe. Right click, properties, compatibility, run this program as administrator. Then we do the same thing for our SolidWorks. And we'll scoot down here to S. Right click, properties, compatibility, run this program as administrator. And there you will have the ability to transfer files from either Alibre or SolidWorks.